Hey guys, Jim from IAG. Today, we're back in the shop installing the full-length EZ-Step add-ons to our four-door Bronco. These are designed to work with the Ford factory rock rail and come in either 2- or 4-door applications. Installation takes less than 15 minutes and can be performed with simple hand tools. So let's get started. Upon opening the box, you will find 2 steps: mounting brackets and hardware, as well as the associated color logo plate. The first step is to hang the step mounting brackets. 2-door applications will consist of 1 bracket per side, while 4-door applications will have 2 brackets per side. Next, we can install the step. Start with the top leading edge of the bracket, then lower the step onto the rock rail as shown. Lift up on the step and slide the middle bracket forward or backwards to line up the holes with the nutserts located in the step. Install the supplied hardware, but do not fully tighten at this time. Next, insert the provided studs. Tighten these studs with a 4mm Allen wrench while simultaneously pulling down on the step. Once tight, install and tighten the jam nuts using a 1/2-inch wrench. You can now tighten the middle bracket hardware. Install the logo plate from underneath while installing the fastening bolt from the top. Use the provided nuts to secure the bolt. That completes the installation of our full-length EZ-Step add-ons to our 4-door Bronco. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe for more installation videos and educational content just like this one. We'll catch you on the next one.